Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Work on a flat surface under good light and keep small parts contained. Gather a small flathead screwdriver, tweezers, and a new CR2032 battery. Confirm your remote model and battery type before you begin. Remove the metal key blade by sliding the release or pressing the small pin. Find the case seam and gently pry with a thin flat tool or key blade. Apply steady pressure and rotate the tool to avoid cracking plastic. Set the opened halves aside carefully to avoid losing the rubber button pad. Use tweezers to lift out the old CR2032 cell without touching contacts. Inspect the battery holder and clean corrosion with a cotton swab if needed. Insert the new CR2032 positive side up and press into the clip firmly. Ensure the battery sits flush and gives a slight click into place when seated. Reposition the rubber pad so buttons align with plastic domes correctly. Check the circuit board orientation and avoid bending any contact springs. Handle the board by edges to prevent oils from your fingers affecting performance. Carefully align the top and bottom halves, ensuring the button pad stays centered. Snap the two case halves together until you hear the plastic click and feel even seams. Reinsert the metal key blade into its slot until it locks smoothly. Stand near the car and test the buttons from 3 meters away to confirm range and operation. If the remote fails, check battery polarity and reseat the battery or contacts. If problems persist, reprogram the remote per your vehicle manual or consult a dealer. Dispose of the old battery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.